Hey mascots, my lovely Biotonians, how are you doing? Good morning, this is Dr. Vani from Vedantu Biotonic in front of you with a very important, it's a very thought-provoking session. It will really guide you, it will motivate you, it will help you to make a decision. नीट 2021 एस्पिरेंट्स हमने जी जान एक कर दिया है, आपने देखा है. वी आर टेकिंग फुल बॉटनी टेस्ट, वी आर टेकिंग फुल जूलॉजी टेस्ट, फुल सिलेबस टेस्ट. हम मतलब वी हैव गिवन आवर 100% इनटू दिस रेस. बट देयर आर सम ऑफ यू अनफॉर्चुनेटली बिकॉज 20 lakh aspirants are going to give this exam and there are a few thousand seats, but your dreams are big. Your dreams are way too big. You really want to become a doctor. That is something that you've taken birth for. It is not something that आप किसी के लिए कर रहे हो. You want to prove a point. You want to show off to somebody, and that is why you're doing this. No, that's not how it is. You want to do it for yourself. You want to serve the society, and I'm sure that's the reason. ये जो dropper word होता है ना, इसको I don't really like it, and I don't approve of it. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ आप dreamers हो. You are the ones who are going to forge ahead. This year also in my Biotonic Army of 2021, I have a lot of dreamers. बहुत बच्चे हैं जो मेरे साथ ड्रीम कर रहे हैं. They're telling me that they want to do something big. They want to do something massive. They really want to do something, which makes their parents so proud of themselves. May or may not. You may get a seat this year, you may not, but you don't want to do anything else. You don't want to do any other graduation because your dreams, your eyes, you are set. And what is it that you want to do? You just want to clear this particular examination. You want to get into a government college. You have your dreams on the AFMC, you have your dreams on the AIMS. And अगर आप कभी AFMC AIMS जाएंगे, you will see that there are a lot, if not majority, but there are a lot of students who truly take a drop. They dream big and they achieve their decision. Right now, there are some of you whose motivation level could be very high, and that is the reason why this lecture becomes important, why it is important for me to come and talk to you. There could be some of you whose motivation level is very high. There could be some of you who are scoring 550, 570, 580, and you're like just round the corner. I'm going to, by the time exam comes, another 2 months, I'm going to crack the 600 margin and I'm going to do it. Some of you could be close to 460, 470, and they know that they might have a reservation, or they might, cross 550, 560, 570, and could be closer to a government college. Could not be the top level of colleges, but they will get. But there are also some of you who could have started studying this year. There could be some of you who could have had a medical condition this year. There could be some of you who could not afford any coaching, और आपको बायोटॉनिक का बहुत लेट पता चला, या किसी फिजिक्स चैनल का या केमिस्ट्री चैनल का बहुत बाद में पता चला. And you started in, let's say, February, March. You were disappointed because of COVID. Your routine did not set up, and you're somewhere struggling. You're good with bio. You're nice with bio, but your physics and chemistry is not up to the mark. You are somewhere getting 330, 340, 260, 270, 300, and you know that this in no way will get you a medical college. You really don't have the money and the heart to spend lakhs of rupees for a private college. And why should you? When there are government colleges, जब आपके जैसे ही बच्चे जिन्होंने 1-1.5 साल मेहनत किया, they are going to get into the NEET colleges. Why should you think of a private college? If it is your dream, your desire, your passion to become a doctor, why should you think of something else? You have one life. आप 16, 17, 18 साल के हो, ऐसे कोई 70, 80 साल के तो हुए नहीं हो that you should give up on your dreams and चलो अभी एडजस्ट कर लेते हैं. 17, 18 में एडजस्ट करोगे तो फिर सारी लाइफ एडजस्ट करोगे. अब तो टाइम है हासिल करने का. Now is the time to give your 500%. Now don't think of that 1 year. वो 1 साल मायने नहीं रखेगा जब आपकी entire life you will be wearing that white coat and stethoscope. So what I want to tell you through this message is, don't get disappointed. Don't be like, आप कर लोगे. पहले तो अपना give your 500% this year. Really give your, and मैं बड़ी motivational कहानी, just stay back. I'm going to tell you something super motivational in the next few minutes. पहले तो give your 500,000%, your entire, your blood, your sweat, your toil, everything. Give all your hard work, your dedication, devotion, discipline, everything to this exam. Do you know that Vedantu ने already droppers batch शुरू कर दिया जिसमें around 200 students हैं? Right? हमें 2 बैचेस शुरू करने पड़े because we never increase the number of students in our class. That means कई बच्चे इतने हसलर हैं इतने हसलर हैं कि वो ये जुलाई अगस्त का महीना भी वेस्ट नहीं करने देना चाहते। दे थिंक ये जो 45-50 डेज हैं ये उनके लॉन्ग रन में काम आएगा। इन द लॉन्ग रन दिस इज रियली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू, बिकॉज जब सब सोचेंगे कि क्या हो गया, जब सब सोचेंगे कि यार अगस्त के बाद सितंबर में एग्जाम देंगे, सितंबर के बाद रिजल्ट आएगा, अक्टूबर हो जाएगा, दे डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट दीज 2-3 months, right? So I will just tell you these 3 things. I know so many of you are thinking of dropping because my Instagram account, my Telegram is full of the messages that you guys send me that, ma'am, what do I do? My score is not improving. It's my first time. Should I drop? I want to drop because I don't want to give on the dream. First of all, don't give up on your dream. Don't drop on your dream. It's your dream to become a doctor. It's your dream to wear the white coat. It is your dream to have the stethoscope around your neck. That is your dream. You're not giving up on your dream. Number 2, give your 100% to this examination, but be practical. There are lakhs of students. Some of them have worked very hard. There are very few seats. If you have not really started on time and you did not have the right guidance to guide you, it might be difficult in the last moment to do everything on your own. Those students who've been doing it, they are revising now. Try, but be practical also. Don't worry, you can always drop. There are so many of my favorite students in the sense that they've got into colleges and they've dropped. So what? There is no shame in dropping. आप अपनी ड्रीम के पीछे अगर अपनी जिंदगी का 1 साल नहीं लगाओगे तो ये जिंदगी किस काम की? What is the whole point of living? If it's your dream and your dream, you are putting your life's 1 year behind it, it's fine. I always wanted to talk about societal issues. I always wanted to bring about a change in the society. I opened Vani, the Voice for Change, after being an adult for so long. My dream was lying there in one corner of my brain. It's okay. It's okay to give time to your dream. It's your dream after all. You want to become a drop. So if you want to finally then take a drop, don't do the mistakes that you did last year. That's the most beautiful and the third point. If you really decide, then these 2 months also are very crucial. Every minute is crucial because you have to do 11th and 12th physics, chemistry, bio, physics, chemistry, bio. That means 6 subjects, 3 of 11th and 3 of 12th in just 1 year. You cannot even waste one single moment. When you decide, you decide. How you decide, you decide. I'm only there to guide you and to support you. I'm not there to influence your decision making. That is your decision. पर आप जो भी decision लोगे, I promise I will be standing next to you. And I'll be telling you, चल बेटा करते हैं. Let's do it. Don't you worry. I am there with you. Decision आपने लेना है. पहले इस साल अगर आपको लगता है आप कर पाओगे, फिर तो पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखना है. You are giving your 500%. और लगता है यार इस साल शायद मुश्किल है. Then ask yourself, क्या ये करना चाहते हो? क्या अंतरात्मा से is that feeling coming? ये करना है या कुछ और करके भी हैप्पी रह जाएंगे? क्योंकि मुश्किल है बेटा. 10 साल लगेंगे. पैशन, विजन, पर्पस, डेडिकेशन, डिवोशन सब लगेगा. MBBS, MD, इट विल टेक योर एंटायर लाइफ. आपका पूरा यूथ लगेगा तो जाकर किसी की जान बचा पाओगे. पीपल्स लाइव्स विल बी इन योर हैंड्स. यू विल बी अ सेवियर. यू विल बी नेक्स्ट टू गॉड. इट इज डिफिकल्ट. नहीं करना फिर गिव अप कर देंगे. करना है तो फिर सोचो इस साल हो पाएगा. प्रैक्टिकली सोचो. फीलिंग्स, इमोशंस, जब एक बार प्लान बनता है ना तो प्लान प्रैक्टिकल होता है. प्लान इमोशनल नहीं होता. डिसीजन इमोशनल होता है. बहुत बड़ी बात करी मैंने. डिसाइड कर लो करना है. डिसीजन इमोशन पे लो. डिसीजन अपने दिमाग को मत लो. मन क्या कर रहा है? डॉक्टर ही बनना है ना, करते. पर प्लानिंग हैज टू बी विद द ब्रेन. प्लानिंग में हार्ट नहीं आएगा. प्लानिंग हैज टू बी विद प्रिसीजन. प्लानिंग हैज टू बी मतलब एकदम ऐसे एफर्टलेस ऐसा होना चाहिए प्लानिंग दैट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट. Your decision is emotional, your planning is practical. That is very important. And then you decide. What I've done is इस लेक्चर के लिंक में ना मैंने ड्रॉपर्स बैच जो हमारा बना है उसके बारे में डाल दिया है. अगर आप क्रैश कोर्स के साथ ड्रॉपर्स लेते हो तो जो ड्रॉपर्स की फीस होती है ना उसमें से क्रैश कोर्स की फीस माइनस हो जाती है. अगर आपको अगर आपको ऐसा है कि यार मैं तो क्रैश कोर्स भी लिया अब क्या करूं, तो टेंशन मत लो. यस, ड्रॉपर्स में से आपको क्रैश कोर्स की फीस रिवर्स हो जाती है. और एक और बात बता देती हूँ, अगर आपका बाय चांस किसी भी कॉलेज में हो गया, आप बोल सकते हो कि यार मैंने तो ड्रॉप लिया है, लेना का प्लान किया था पर मेरा तो कॉलेज में हो गया, अब मैं वाई शुड आई स्टडी, अब तो मेरा हो गया, यू विल गेट योर एंटायर फीस रिटर्न, बिकॉज वेदांत तो एक बहुत एथिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, बहुत ज़्यादा एथिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, राइट? तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा दैट यू विल बी टोल्ड कि यार ऐसा है ऐसा नहीं है, इसलिए कोई टेंशन नहीं लेनी है आपने। तो आप सिर्फ पढ़ाई करो, लीव ऑल योर वरीज टू अस, यू नीड टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर, we are with you to support you to become a doctor. Just don't worry about anything, leave your worries to us and you study. Yes, take care my lovely mascots. Don't forget to become a part of VBiotonic. If you're thinking of dropping, go check out the course which is below. If you're not thinking about dropping, give your 500%. Take care, bye bye.